Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1968 Camaro SS. Originally a gold car, it has been transformed into this beautiful black on black beast. Powered by a 350, made it to a smooth shifting transmission, full exhaust, complete restoration. For more information, please look down below in our description. We'll have a link for that. Also, be sure to like and subscribe so we can give you more amazing content like this. I don't even know this guy, look at him. Taking pictures of the interior. Trying to sell it. We got another one over here, another stalker. You done, sir?
No problem, it's automatic.
We're gonna start off with the driver's side of this beautiful Camaro. Body lines. You're not gonna find another one with body lines as clean as this. Black on black. Unbelievable luster. When you look at the paint quality, you can see everything through that paint. You've got a nice set of rally wheels. They have a wider tire in the rear, so it gives you an aggressive look. All the chrome is new. And when you look underneath it, I want you to look at our gallery and see how nice it is. Unbelievable quality. You've got an SSBC 4-wheel disc brake conversion with power disc brakes. Start off with the front end here. All the bezels are new. Front grille fascia is correct, and then you're gonna pop this hood right here. Look at how clean that hood is. I don't see any imperfections in the paint at all. I'd rate this easily a 9 out of 10. Beautiful Weiland intake manifold, made it to a Holley carburetor, so that's a 4-barrel carburetor. You do have vintage air, power steering, and power brakes. You have your bias here, so your adjustable bias, and it's set properly. It feels really good. All new components throughout. Windshield wipers work. You have the correct GM hose here with the incorrect fasteners, new radiator. It's just clean. When you push on it, no funny sound from the suspension. Hood insulation is new. And then that's 68, 68s will have this design on the hood. Driver's side fender is super clean. All the gaps are even, as I said before. All your chrome is unbelievable and all the bright work. Glass is nice. It's a 124 car, 12437 car, so that means it's a sport coupe. No cracks on any of the roof lines. No marks from where they would replace the quarters. Let me open up the trunk and open up the door for you. Interior is unbelievable. Center shift. It's a non-tack car, so you just have your fuel gauge, its speedometer, and it is a recent restoration. It does have vintage air that works. And look at all the felt. I mean, everything has been done. When you're looking for something that's turnkey, this is definitely one of those things. One of those cars. I'm gonna open up the trunk for you. Got a nice spoiler here. And the trunk, look at how nice that is. Comes with the car cover. And I didn't mention, but this is actually an Arizona or California car. We purchased this in Arizona. Let's look at the trunk here. Look at how nice that is. It's a little bit wet from us cleaning it, but all new harnesses. All the lights work. Got your truck instructions right here, your jacking instructions. And the gaskets are brand new too. Chrome on the rear is extremely clean. You've got your SS cap, which is brand new. And when you close it, it actually lines up properly. I like to look at paint quality when you're looking at the trunk release or where the key goes in. Look at how nice the paint quality is there. And then, you can't see under here, but this is all super clean too. It's a lot of metal here. I don't see any signs of Bondo. And please look at the gallery. Look underneath this car, it's unbelievable. 10-bolt rear, all new brake lines, suspension looks really nice. You've got twin bucket seats, as I said before, and then everything has been replaced. Look at all the felt. Look at how the windows go up and down. When you're looking for quality, this is definitely the car you're going for. This isn't your run-of-the-mill 68. Let me go ahead and start it up right now. Wait till you hear it. Sounds super good. Hey, JR, can you give us some gas? JR's, he came for the test drive. We always have people stop by the shop and He's one of those regulars. He comes and drinks all our Coronas. Here we go. Sounds good. Cool, let's go for a test drive. All right guys, we're inside the Camaro right now. This does have the vintage air setup, which I like. So it looks like the factory style heater box, but you do have vintage air and it does blow cold. Your wipers work as they should. You've got your lights here, and the lights are illuminating inside. It's showing 6251 on the odometer, so that's probably when they restored it. So it has 6,000 miles on the restoration. Super healthy. Steering wheel is actually real wood, and it's very nice. I know these steering wheels are super expensive. Horn works, and then you have your center shift here. You have your gear selector, so it does have a 3-speed transmission. Headliner's in excellent shape. The lights work inside, so when you open up the door, you're going to see the lights. I mean, it's really hard to find a Camaro that looks this nice, black on black, and super clean. Originally, this was a gold car, but I'm kind of happy they didn't keep it like that. The last gold I had to sit on it for a while. Black always sells real fast. If you have any questions about shipping this out of the state or out of the country, just give us a call, 954-363-2261. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn right here. Actually, you know what? We're going to go on the highway. Let's take the highway. Get some looks. Transmission shift's nice. Rear end is tight. We're getting on to 95 south. There shouldn't be any traffic because of what's going on today. The coronavirus. All right, we're going to test it out. You ready? Whoa! Shifting into second, chirping. We are at 60 miles an hour. It's tracking straight, feels really good. Hopefully the wind's not an issue, but that's pretty fast, man. Yeah, it chirped into second. Brakes feel good too, 4-wheel disc brakes. We're gonna get off here on Griffin, and then I'll test it out again on the way out. We can get some outside shots of this beautiful Camaro. The steering is unbelievable. It's super tight, it's not loose. The seats are comfortable. You could drive this every day if you wanted to. I think it's too nice. This will win car shows, but you could if you wanted to. And I advise anybody that buys this to drive it every day. No shaking when we're pushing the brakes. Indicator works as it should. Let me go back on my seat a little bit. It was up there. We had a whole bunch of people in the car earlier. There we go. Let's see how this thing does from a whole shot. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's awesome. It's a really fun car. We're out back on Ravenswood Road. Test drive on the highway felt really good. As I said, if you have any questions about this car, just give us a call, 954-363-2261. We're gonna get some outside shots to mix into that video. Hope you guys have a great day. Be safe, wash your hands, and smile, and stay positive.